It's harvest time. Fruits and vegetables are at their best. Peak freshness, peak nutrients, peak flavor. From the moment they're picked, it's a race against time to deliver you all that goodness. It takes about 24 days for fresh produce to go from the field to your supermarket. It's shipped and stored, and then often shipped and stored again. And by the time you get to it, the freshness, vitamins, and nutrients aren't so peak anymore. Cans stop time. Fruits and veggies go from field to seal within just 4 hours. Oxygen, which deteriorates fresh food, is locked out. Freshness, nutrients, and flavor are locked in at their peak without the need for preservatives or additives, just as if you picked them from your own garden and canned them yourself, but with way less work. Cans extend time. Foods go from seasonal to available year-round, with the same or better nutritional value as fresh or frozen. Cans make it easier to get essential nutrients and eat all your recommended fruits and veggies, which, if you're counting, is 53 cups of vegetables and 42 cups of fruit a week for a family of 4. Cans cut down on prep time. Less time in the kitchen means more family time. They make it easy to add more variety to mealtime, so you can get creative, but not that creative. Make fewer trips to the store, order less takeout, just open your pantry. Canned foods last a long time, so you waste less. Americans throw away more than 40% of the fresh produce they buy each year because they don't eat it in time. Canned food portions are just right for both individuals and families. Most recipes are designed around these sizes, so you use the whole thing, and cans can be endlessly recycled. That's even less waste. Cans last a long time, so you waste less. Stop time sealing in foods nutrition, cut down on prep time, and add time with your family.